Simple version ng kanta ng Maroon 5, Love is priceless. Na, 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 na. So simple version, focus tayo kasi na meron tayong tutorial na dalawang version. Ito focus tayo sa simple. So start tayo agad. Ito mga chords, 4 chords buong kanta. Then G, and then C major 7 na ganito. So remove to isa, C yan pero remove to isa. So yan na. Then A7. So A lang yan, remove lang tong gitna. Yan. So ulit D, G, C major 7, A7. So 4 chords buong kanta no para sa kantang yan. Simple version to, and then strum naman ganito. Down. Ito ang strum. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. So down, down, up, down, up, down. Play natin na. Down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, up, down. So yan ang strum. Kaya na bala mag-timing. So play natin ulit. Limited priceless. Down, na 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 na. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down. So kailan bala mag-timing sa strumming kasi madali naman yan. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down. So ulit-ulit lang yan, 4 chords lang. At meron din tayong tutorial na medyo mahirap no, yung dito kumuha. So tingnan nyo lang sa channel natin kasi latest upload natin to 2 uploads eh. May first version tayo na tinuro, medyo mas mahirap yun sa mga gustong mas magandang tono. Pero ito, simple lang. So yun lahat guys, kaya na bala mag-timing. Dito man tutorial, see you sa next uploads guys, bye bye. It's priceless.